Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you stunning backyard with outdoor kitchen decor ideas and 7 steps guide for best outdoor backyard kitchen design remodel. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In today's fast-paced world, where the lines between indoor and outdoor living are increasingly blurring, the backyard has become an extension of our homes, a sanctuary where we can relax, entertain, and create lasting memories. And at the heart of this outdoor haven lies the outdoor kitchen, a culinary hub that transforms alfresco gatherings into unforgettable experiences. An outdoor kitchen is more than just a grill and a countertop, it's an extension of your personal style, a reflection of your culinary passions, and a testament to your love for hosting. It's a space where you can gather with friends and family, savor delicious meals, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're starting from scratch or revamping an existing space, creating an outdoor kitchen that seamlessly blends functionality with style requires careful planning and thoughtful design. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process. First, assess your space and needs. Before embarking on any design endeavor, it's crucial to assess your available space and consider your specific needs. How much space do you have to work with? How many people do you typically host? What are your cooking preferences? Answering these questions will lay the foundation for a well-designed outdoor kitchen. Second, define your style. Your outdoor kitchen should reflect your personal style and complement the overall aesthetic of your home. Do you gravitate towards modern minimalism, rustic charm, or a blend of both? Once you've established your style direction, you can start selecting materials, finishes, and decor that align with your vision. Third, layout and functionality. The layout of your outdoor kitchen is paramount to its functionality. Consider creating a designated grilling area, a prep station, a sink, and ample storage space. Ensure that the layout is conducive to a smooth workflow, allowing you to move freely between cooking, prepping, and serving. Fourth, material selection. When choosing materials for your outdoor kitchen, durability and weather resistance are key. Opt for materials that can withstand the elements, such as stainless steel, stone counters, and weather-resistant cabinetry. Fifth, appliances and amenities. Your choice of appliances will depend on your culinary preferences and the size of your space. A high-quality grill is essential, and you may also consider adding a pizza oven, smoker, or outdoor refrigerator. Sixth, lighting and ambience. Proper lighting is crucial for both functionality and ambience. Install task lighting for cooking and prep areas, and incorporate ambient lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Seventh, landscaping and greenery. Surround your outdoor kitchen with lush greenery to create a sense of tranquility. Plant trees for shade, add potted plants for color, and consider incorporating a herb garden for fresh culinary delights. Creating a stunning outdoor kitchen doesn't have to break the bank. Here are some budget-friendly tips for remodeling your outdoor space. First, repurpose materials. Look for salvaged materials like old cabinets, bricks, or reclaimed wood to add character and save money. Second, DIY projects. Embrace your inner handy person and tackle DIY projects like building your own countertops, benches, or shelving. Third, shop around for deals. Keep an eye out for sales and discounts on appliances, fixtures, and decorative accents. Fourth, focus on functionality. Prioritize functionality over elaborateness. A well-designed and practical space can be equally stunning without the unnecessary bells and whistles. If you wonder what you can put in your backyard outdoor kitchen, then the possibilities for incorporating unique elements into your outdoor kitchen are endless. Here are some ideas to inspire you. First, built-in bars. Create a dedicated bar area with stools, a countertop, and shelves for displaying your favorite beverages. Second, pizza oven. Take your culinary repertoire to the next level with a traditional wood-fired pizza oven. Third, outdoor fireplace. Amplify the warmth and ambience with a stylish fireplace or fire pit, perfect for cozy gatherings on chilly evenings. Fourth, pergola or gazebo. create a sheltering structure with a pergola or gazebo to offer shade and protection from the elements. 5th, herb garden. Incorporate a herb garden within your design for convenient access to fresh herbs while cooking. And finally, to complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 best backyard with outdoor kitchen decor ideas. 1. Embrace a modern farmhouse aesthetic. Combine rustic elements like wood and stone with modern touches like sleek appliances and stainless steel accents. 2. Create a Mediterranean oasis. Incorporate whitewashed walls, terracotta tiles, and vibrant bougainvillea vines for a taste of the Mediterranean. 3. Craft a cozy retreat. Opt for natural materials like wood, stone, and woven textiles to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. 4. Incorporate a poolside paradise. Integrate your outdoor kitchen seamlessly with your pool area, creating a luxurious backyard escape. 5. Design a multifunctional space. Add a dining area, a fire pit, or a cozy seating area to transform your outdoor kitchen into a versatile entertaining hub. 6. Embrace minimalist chic. Employ clean lines, neutral tones, and sleek appliances for a sophisticated and modern look. 7. Celebrate rustic charm. Utilize reclaimed wood, weathered stone, and natural fibers to create a rustic and inviting space. 8. Incorporate industrial touches. Expose brick walls, metal accents, and vintage industrial lighting for a unique and edgy vibe. 9. Embark on a tropical adventure. Surround your outdoor kitchen with lush tropical plants, colorful accents, and tiki torches for a taste of paradise. 10. Personalize with unique decor. Add personal touches like artwork, family photos, and colorful throw pillows to reflect your unique style. Remember, designing your ideal outdoor kitchen is a journey, not a destination. Take your time, explore different options, and add personal touches to create a space that reflects your unique style and aspirations. With careful planning and a dash of creativity, you can transform your backyard into a culinary haven, a haven for gatherings, and a source of endless memories. For further inspiration and practical guidance on designing your dream outdoor kitchen, be sure to check out Homes Decor Designs on YouTube. We offer a wealth of content, from informative videos to stunning visuals, to guide you along every step of your outdoor kitchen journey. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of stunning backyard with outdoor kitchen decor ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you, and see you on the next videos.